Do you have a business or a business idea? Do you know you can apply for a $1,000 grant with no strings attached? Yes, I said so. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Of course, when I mention grants on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. This is a $1,000 micro grant that you are not paying back. If this strikes like something you're interested in, don't even touch it out. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you for your love and your incredible support. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Yes, you can join my Patreon community and you can have full and direct access to me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. Yes, while you guys are introducing yourselves in the comments, my first timers, let me also do well to introduce myself as well. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm your grants queen. I drop 3 videos every week. I'm a wife, a mother, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. Yes. On this channel, I help you secure the bag. It's all about now. The Awesome Foundation is an ever-growing worldwide community devoted to forward the interest of awesome in the universe. It was created in the long hot summer days of 2009 in Boston. The foundation distributes $1,000 grants with no strings attached to projects and their creators. At each fully autonomous chapters, the money is pulled together from the coffers of 10 or so self-organizing micro-trustees and given up front in cash, check, or even gold doubloons. They've had a lot of great media coverage since their humble beginnings in 2009. Of course, they've been featured in lots of publications like New York Times, BBC, CBC, WGBH, Chronicles of Philanthropy, and of course the Boston Globe. Now, the Awesome Foundation is driven by hundreds of volunteers around the world who organize, launch, and run chapters that give out monthly grants. These grants is available for you every month, so don't worry, this video never expires. Now, the Awesome Foundation is a global community advancing the interests of awesome in the universe, $1,000 at a time. Each fully autonomous chapter supports awesome projects through micro grants, usually given out monthly, and they are given at the local equivalent of $1,000, which come out of pocket of the chapter's trustees, and they are given at a no strings attached basis to people and groups working on awesome projects. Here are the questions to expect when you get to the form. Number 1, you have to fill in your name, your email address, your phone number, your project's title, your project's website. Also tell them about your awesome project. And you have 2,000 characters to do that. How will you use the money? Just 500 characters to do that. Tell them a bit about yourself. Guys, applying for grants is easier than you think. I've gotten a lot of comments in my comment section asking, I don't know how to, or telling me I don't know how to apply for grants. How do I go about it? Where do I find it? When you watch my videos all the way till the end, for the most part, I tell you what to expect when you get on the application form. You get on the application, I've done all the homework for you. Click on the link in my description and find the form for you to apply. When you get there, you have all the details I've just mentioned to you. Your name, what do you need the funds for, what's your email address, the name of your business, or if you have a website or social media presence, just input the data. Use simple terms. They don't need complicated answers. It's not AI robots that is responding to your questions or marking or in charge. AI robots are not in charge of these grant applications. They are human beings like you and I. So answer your questions, just be as genuine and as, as authentic as much as you can. And guess what? You're on your way to winning grants. Yes, applying for grants is simple and easy. The hard part is researching the grants itself, which I am doing for you guys for free. I'm constantly sharing with you grants information right here on this channel every single time. So make it a day to join me right here as I will unveil a lot of grants for you guys. I found over 100 grants, so just don't worry. I'm going to be spilling the tea on every single grants for you guys right here on this channel. I remain your girl Mariam. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing. And I am super duper proud of you. Now, if you want to be part of my Patreon community as my inner caucus and you want to have direct and full access to me, join my Patreon community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Like I always say, when you join my Patreon community, you stand a chance to win. You don't stand a chance. You can actually book a free consultation with me and we can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And you never know, I could also give you grants. You just never know. Yeah, I do too. So yes, that's about it, guys. And if you have not registered your business, go ahead and do that today. Just in case, you know, you are still doubting yourself, just go ahead and register your small business today. If you have a business idea and you know for sure you want to really do this business, or you want to stand it, you know, you want to set yourself up for greater successes, go ahead and register your business today. And yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, go ahead and also forward this video to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you have not checked out my previous videos, what are you waiting for? Go to my YouTube video, type Mariam, you know, check out my previous videos and start to apply for these grants as quickly as there's so many of these grants that are actually available on a rolling basis, just like these grants. If you don't meet the cut for this quarter, you can always apply again next quarter, so you're covered, you know. So go ahead and apply for these grants. It doesn't hurt you. There is no application fee attached. There's no strings attached. You know, go ahead and apply for these grants as quickly as possible. I'm going to be sharing amazing grants in my next video. I have another $2,000 grant. I have a $10,000 grant. I have a $50,000 grant and a $100,000 grant that is powered by a billionaire. Don't worry, just stay connected on this channel so that you don't miss out on these videos. Yes, and that's it, guys, for today. So if you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, leave it for me in the comments. Let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all these researches for you guys. And if you want me to do, if you have any questions for me, let me know as well in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all of these researches for you. Go ahead and apply, even if you think that you don't qualify. Let me just, you know, seize this moment to encourage you guys to go ahead and apply for these grants. The people that are winning, I've won grants too in the past. I didn't need to know anyone in the, you know, in the organization before I won. And as a matter of fact, for the first grants I won, they are based they're based in Atlanta, and I live here in California, and I got a check in my name. So go ahead and apply. If I can win grants, you can win grants too. So take that, you know, take that bold step today. Apply for these grants. You never know, you're on your way to winning grants real big. And that's it, guys, for today. So that's about it. When you apply for grants, you know, they are free money that you don't have to pay back. You have nothing to lose. And yeah, applying for these grants is super easy. Like I said, the hard part is, you know, having to do the research, which I have done and I will continue to do for you guys on this channel. So make sure that you take advantage of these grants. And when you win any grants, please come back to me. Come back and send me a 1-minute video detailing how you found the grants by watching my videos. Yes, so and that's it, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Go ahead and, you know, binge watch my other videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and your village members and your community members. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, God is watching you. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video, but make sure that you check this video right here.